Hello, future CAs. Welcome to the video where we'll be talking about CA results, where these results will get you one step closer on becoming a chartered accountant. But வந்துட்டீங்களாடா ரிசல்ட் எப்போ வரும் சார் வீடியோ போட்டிங்க சார் we are waiting for this video. When results will come, when ICA paper is leaked, these kind of videos you are more excited than subject and concept videos. But still, I am still going to give you my thoughts on that because our Dheeraj uncle has put a tweet explaining when the results are going to come. This is like what? Let me give an example. In IPL, every season of IPL, guys, what will happen? In the 10 teams which is playing IPL, no. After half the IPL gets over, 3 teams will always qualify. Most of the IPLs, CSK will be there, Mumbai Indians will be there, this Lucknow Super Giants, or any 3 teams will always be guaranteed qualified. This KKR, those teams will be there fighting for top 3 already confirmed. 3 teams will be disqualified before the IPL starts itself. I can tell. Like this Punjab one team is there. No offense for any Punjab fans, guys, but in my Punjab or whatever teams, most of the IPLs last 3 they will come. Okay, but middle, the best part of the IPL is the middle 4 teams. 4 teams will be fighting for that 4th spot. Anyway, they will come to 4th spot and get knocked out in elimination. But these 4 teams will be fighting. Mostly, you all would have guessed already by now. RCB will be one of those teams. In most IPL, for that 4th spot, they will fight. That time, everybody will put speculation. If this match we win, that match we win, then if all these things happen, then RCB will get qualified. Yes, it is very fun to do that. I also used to do that. The speculating results is like that. It's a fun thing. Even though we all know that results are going to come between Feb 25th to March 5th. Like how we know RCB doing all this, they will get qualified. 3rd or 4th place they will come. Then they will get knocked out and leave. Like that, I can tell you, results will come in this window, guys. Not only me. Anyone with little bit of common sense can tell you this. Okay. Now, in this date, which day, sir? I want to know. If you want to just go by past attempts, last time in September 24, results came on October 30th. Exactly 35 to 40 days. This time we don't have a 30th in Feb month. Feb ends on 28th. Keeping that in mind, it can come sometime on March 1st or 2nd. But I may be wrong. It can be March 3rd, it can be Feb 28th also. But this is the window. Why are you watching all these speculation videos? Yes, sir, we are going to give you views, sir. All of that is fine. But yes, I know it's fun. But let's all wait for ICA because the day ICA gives the notification, all of us are going to put a story that is going to be the result day. But be mentally prepared that this is the window which you already know. Other than that, wait for ICA. Don't get unnecessary stress. Let me know in the comments how you are feeling about results getting close. I know it's not an easy date to digest, but these are things that are memories in your CA journey which will make you what you are. So wishing you all the very best, guys, with the bottom of my heart. Thank you.